Hi Bhumika, how are you?
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good
I'm
morning,
fine.
Vijay.
How are you?
Fine, dear, fine. Tell me, what are the problems you are facing in your CAT exam preparation?
सर प्रॉब्लम्स मैं आपको बताती हूँ मैं फोन में क्या कर रही हूँ उसके हिसाब से प्रॉब्लम्स बताती हूँ.
Right, right.
सो आई जॉइंट प्लस मई में. राइट. सो व्हाट हैपेंड कि आपका ज्योमेट्री वाला जो कोर्स है वो पार्ट 1 कंप्लीट हो चुका था. पार्ट 2 में सर्कल से पूरा आपके साथ कर रही हूँ. ठीक है. तो पार्ट 1 की क्लासेस आई हैव टू डू, जो कि मैंने सोचा था कि दिन में अगर मैं 2 क्लास कर लूंगी तो 24 लेसन है, 12 डेज में कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. उसमें इशू आ रहा है बिकॉज और भी लाइव क्लासेस है. उसके बाद अरिथमेटिक का जो बैच था आपका पार्ट 1, जिसमें लाइक रेशियो सॉरी परसेंटेजेस वगैरह था, वो करना है. उसमें भी करीब ऐसे 24 to 26 लेसन है. तो वो भी अगर एक दिन में आप 2 क्लासेस करते हो तो उसका भी प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. एंड फिर आपकी क्लासेस एंड रेशियो की क्लासेस एंड VRC एंड LRDI. सो इट्स अ
Okay.
वेरी मतलब बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है.
Okay, tell me the topic that you are confident right now कि आपको इसमें से क्वेश्चन अगर मैं पूछता हूँ तो you'll be able to answer. So, is there any topic that you are, that you have done thoroughly, जिसको आपको
थॉरली
दोबारा
सर मैं
करने का
बताऊँ तो
रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं
अगर नहीं सर, अभी ऐसा कोई भी नहीं है. इनफैक्ट मैं आपके साथ जो भी टॉपिक्स कर रही हूँ मैं दोबारा ही कर रही हूँ एक्सेप्ट फॉर ज्योमेट्री. ज्योमेट्री मैंने नहीं किया था. मैंने जैन में अपना सेल्फ स्टडी किया था, जैन से लेकर
है? Okay,
मई अप्रैल मई तक.
okay, okay,
तो
okay. Tell
उसमें
me,
मैं जितना कर सकती थी.
have you
यस.
started attending the number system course? जो number system course हमारा अभी running है, have you started
यस सर.
that you are doing it from the
लास्ट वीकेंड नहीं अटेंड कर पाई थी.
okay,
हाँ हाँ,
but
फर्स्ट
otherwise
क्लास
you're
से
doing the
कर रही
number
हूँ.
system from the first lecture, right? That
हाँ हाँ जी.
and you're also doing the practice question from the sheets that I have given to you.
यस.
Okay. So see that you don't have to worry about the number system. Number system will continue on Saturday and Sunday, right? For example, today also we have a class at 2 p.m. of number system, right? So what
यस.
you do is just keep the number system aside because just do number system in live classes only. Okay, only on Saturday and Sunday. By the month of
ओके.
uh, and by the end of July, we'll be able to complete your number system, right? And
ओके.
then if when it comes to arithmetic, now tell me arithmetic, what are the topics that you have attended live and you have participated in the discussion of the questions? Tell me only those topics of arithmetic.
ज्योमेट्री पार्ट 2.
No. Arithmetic. In arithmetic, what are the topics?
Arithmetic. Okay. So you start part 2 में ratio, proportion and ongoing जो भी time and work
Are you
सीरीज है सब.
confident in ratio and proportion? Have
Yes.
you attended all the 5 lectures of ratio and proportion? Okay. And then you're
Yes
starting
sir.
time, and then you're starting time and work, right?
Time. Yes.
But so what you do is that ratio and proportion, time and work, and time, speed, and distance, right? These three topics we'll do live. ये तो अभी होने वाले हैं, right? In the upcoming sessions.
ठीक है.
And you attended these sessions live only. Ratio and proportion, time and work, and time, speed, distance, because these three topics are interconnected. Because the concepts of
Right.
ratios and proportionality will be used in time and work, and it will also be used in time, speed, and distance. So the base of time and work question as well as of time, speed, distance question is ratio and proportion. What I need is you need that apart from 70 questions that we have covered in the classes, I want that you cover the complete PDF sheets that I have given to you in the Telegram group, right? I'll be sharing with you personally if you don't have those sheets, right? Do practice all the questions of ratios from there, right? Because I don't want that this part to be weak, because if ratio and proportion is weak, then you will not be able to perform good in time and work and time, speed, and distance also. So
Right.
and we have a gap of 1 day, right, when we in these classes of time and work and time, speed, and distance, right? So right now, right, just give as much time as you can to ratio and proportion chapter for more practice,
ठीक
right?
है.
Okay.
ठीक है.
And then you don't have to worry about time and work and time, speed, and distance question. For these two chapters, I will not ask you to practice from some other content. The reason is in our PDF file, we have so many questions of time and work. I will be discussing 100 questions of time and work in the live classes only. And also in time, speed, and distance, we are going to cover 120 questions. So your practice will be included in the live classes only. Just attended live classes properly for time and work and time, speed, distance. You don't have to practice any other question right? So you will feel confidence in
Okay.
TN, time and work and time spent distance questions. You don't have to practice by yourself. Only one, I'm giving you just one chapter as a homework, and that's the ratio proportion, because we have practiced 60, 70 questions,
Ratio.
right? And I just want
Okay.
that you should be doing around 50, 60 more questions at your end from the practice sheets,
Mm-hmm.
right? T and time and work and time
Okay.
spent distance, you can leave on me, right? We will practice in the live classes, right? So 50%
All
arithmetic is done with these three topics, right? So 50%
right.
arithmetic will be
Yeah.
done, right? Now we are left with your topic of average, percentage, profit and loss, and
Hmm.
SICI. Now tell me, what is the status on these three topics? Have you covered these have you covered these four topics? आपने कोई live
So
sessions या recorded?
concept wise नहीं एवरेज को छोड़कर परचेज प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस है SI&CI का मैंने concept wise मतलब मैंने करा हुआ है ये questions अरुण शर्मा book से but I need revision thorough revision because
Okay.
मेरा math
And
में
you
बहुत
don't have
बुरा
attended the
हाल
live
है
sessions, right? You don't have attended the live
नहीं
sessions.
इनके नहीं करा
I'm
no
just giving you the work of average. See that we have a gap of 1 day between the arithmetic classes, right? So that 1 day gap that you have in arithmetic, when I move from 1 day to second day, there's a gap of 1 day, right? So in that
right
gap, I want to cover in the next 2 weeks. By the time we are covering time and work and time, speed and distance, right? In those gaps, I want you to cover average and percentage from the recordings. Okay, from
okay
from the same course that you have not attended earlier, right?
right
Okay, only two topics. So by the time your TNW and TSD is getting finished, and on the remaining alternate days, you should be able to cover your average and percentage. Only two topics, right? And you don't need to practice
okay
more questions other than the class PDFs for these two, right? Okay, you just do these questions properly. That's it. Once you're done with
okay
this, I'll tell you ki what should be the next step. आगे कौन से content से या topic से आपको questions करने हैं. And also I'm doing the revision, right? So just quickly cover average and percentage, because in that way you'll also be you get benefit from the 12 a.m. class that I'm doing for the revision purpose in special classes, right? So that will also
right
help you. So that will also help you in clearing the concepts. So cover average and percentage by the time your TNW and TSD is getting finished in live, right? So we'll be left with
okay
only two
sir
topics now: profit and loss and SICI, right? We'll talk about it later. Okay.
okay sir
Okay. Because abhi there is no live sessions which are coming up for profit and loss and SICI. But then, so your one lecture is fixed now, right? For the next 1 month,
right
you will every day from 9 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. your one lecture is fixed. One day you will be attending live, one day you will be watching the recording, right?
ठीक है
And in that
yes
way,
sir
your arithmetic will be completed other than profit loss and SICI. And number system you will be attending on Saturday and Sunday, right?
right
And now leave algebra and geometry, right? Don't do have you attended the geometry part too thoroughly? I mean, were you able to understand
सर्कल
all the
से
concepts of circle, because those
पार्ट टू
concepts are
वाला
related with triangles?
पार्ट टू वाला जो था ना सर पार्ट वन तो मैंने लाइव अटेंड नहीं किया पार्ट टू सारा लाइव अटेंड किया
Okay.
है सर्कल वाली प्रॉपर्टी से एंड मैंने अभी शुरुआत कर दी है
And
सो आई हैव वॉच्ड 6 लेक्चर्स पार्ट वन के
okay,
ट्रायंगल्स
okay.
का कोसाइन रूल साइन
And are you able to understand those concepts?
यस
Okay. So do one thing, because you have covered geometry part two, right? Circle, area, and volume is covered there. You
राइट
continue with the part of geometry part one also, right? Just watch one recording on 1 day. Don't hurry, right? ज़्यादा जल्दी नहीं करना, because in that way you'll not be able to do it properly. Just one recording
राइट
of geometry, and I don't think that you need to practice more questions other than these questions, because in my geometry courses you will find that there are 750 plus questions which are covered, so it's comprehensively covered. You don't need practice from other source, right? So 750 plus
ओके सर
questions are covered in part 1 and part 2. So geometry part 1, right, there are total around 25 sessions. Keep on watching. 6 you have already watched, so just keep on
राइट
watching with the recordings, right? At this
ठीक है
point of time, don't do algebra, because I'll
ओके
attend algebra live with me, right, in the slot of 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. slot will be, free in the next month. that course is getting completed, or geometry is getting completed in this class.
mensuration
Yes.
भी खत्म हो
So
जाएगा 2-3
yes,
दिन
that will be over. So in next 3 classes. So in the July, algebra algebra will be launched 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So you can do algebra live with me in the month of July, right?
okay sir
So
yes
in that way, your geometry is completed. Algebra is by the end of July will be completed. By the end of July,
mm-hmm.
your ratio, proportion, time and work, time, speed, distance, average and percentage will be completed, and
average
number system will
percentage
be completed. There's only 2 topics you're left with:
yes
profit loss and SICI. That we can do in
yes
the month
yes
of August. Okay. So in the August
okay
first 15 days, you can go for profit loss and SICI.
okay okay
Okay. Right.
ठीक है सर
All
और
right.
सर LRDI का भी बता दो एक बार
Yes. Tell me what are the issues that you're facing in DILR?
मैंने ना क्वांट में ना आपके लाइव लेक्चर्स करे थे और नीलांजन सर की लाइव क्लासेस क्योंकि उसी टाइम बैच स्टार्ट हुआ था जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया सो आई हैव बीन वाचिंग हिज लेक्चर्स बट उनका ना ज्यादा स्ट्रक्चर्ड नहीं लगा था मेरे को देन आई स्टार्टेड वाचिंग योर वो 250 वाला जो सीरीज था पहले 30 मिनट्स डेली दिया है LR वाला सो आई वॉच्ड अराउंड 7 to 8 एपिसोड उसके बाद इतना सारा ये स्ट्रक्चर बन गया कि ये करना है सो वो मिस हो गया एंड देन लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग लाइव लेक्चर्स के रोज नोटिफिकेशंस आते थे बट आई वाज लाइक कि मतलब मुझे ये करने चाहिए नहीं बिकॉज आई डोंट नो कि इसमें बेसिक्स का या इंटरमीडिएट का कुछ होता है या नहीं सो आई वांटेड टू आस्क इफ इट इज गुड कि मैं लाइव लेक्चर्स अटेंड करूं DILR के या नहीं
See, DILR में have you attended any of my course? I mean, the basics of.
हाँ हाँ लाइव अटेंड नहीं करा बट आई हैव
Okay.
सीन योर 7 लेक्चर्स 7
The 7 courses, the 7 courses of DILR.
DILR का जो 30 मिनट्स डेली DILR था
Acha,
ना उसके
30
जो
minutes
एपिसोड्स थे
okay. See that. I have covered DILR for my students in 2 parts. One is you know that one is a practice, right? One is a theory part, theory of DI and LR. So when I'm discussing the theory of data interpretation, I have covered the concepts of growth rate. I have covered the concept of average based DI. I have covered the concept of, those ratios based questions of DI, bar graph, pie chart. And I have taken a separate topic of all these topics that cover the theory part. And there are specifically fixed set which are there to help you understand the theory of data interpretation, right? So those courses are on Plus, right? Similarly, for logical reasoning, I have covered the theory courses, which I have recently, which is about to finish. I guess you are attending that course, a one-stop solution for logical reasoning, where there's separate
Nice.
set of lectures of, okay, for logical reasoning, there's separate set of lectures of, quantitative reasoning, separate set of lectures for games and tournament, separate set of lectures for critical path, separate set of lectures for DI plus logic, right? The topics which are more relevant for CAT. So I did this one ongoing course is one-stop solution for LR, right? Because you have not attended that course and that course is not coming again, right? So I want you to first attend that one-stop solution of LR course, right? It's a comprehensive course. There are around 30 sessions in it, right? But by attending this course, you will be able to cover your theory properly, right? I mean, had you been contacting me, have you been, if you would have contacted me, 1 month earlier, I would have asked you to attend this course. But now this course is not coming again. So we don't have any other option but to cover the one-stop solution of LR, the complete theory part of LR through that course only. And that course will give you an exposure of fixed type of sets of games and tournament, quantitative reasoning, critical path, DI logic, and any other topic that we have, right? So I have covered chapter wise, right? So once you are done with that course, right, the purpose of 30 minutes daily DLR is to, to give you an exposure of varieties of sets of logical reasoning and DI. So that, and also to see whether you can implement the concepts that you have learned through the theory part in new set of questions or not. And what the approach that you have learned in the theory, whether you are able to apply it in the new type of sets or not. This is the purpose of 30 minutes daily DLR. That's why I give 15 minutes to attempt the set to every student, right? So 30-minute daily DLR is just a course which is there for your practice and your exposure to varieties of set. And the purpose gets solved only once you're done with the one-stop solution of LR and then you're attending 30 minutes daily DLR live. Otherwise, you will feel lost in 30-minute DLR because every set is different. No two sets are same, right? Every set is of different variety. One set is of games and tournament. Next could be on another type of games and tournament, for example, in goal for and goal against. Another can be on different type of, right, critical path. So there are the varieties of sets. So quickly cover your one-stop solution of LR theory course. You like this course. I guess you'll not take much time. If you cover one recording per day, I guess 22 days will be sufficient for this complete theory part. And then also start covering, and right now also keep on attending the live sessions of 30 minutes daily DLR live every day at 4 p.m. right? In that way you will be able to ask your doubts live, and you will be able to learn the approach of DLR live with me, right? So keep on attending the 4 p.m. session, cover the theory of one-stop solution of LR. Okay, so that will cover your logical reasoning, right? What about DI?
DI का तो मुझे कुछ नहीं आता.
Okay, you have not covered the DI on. Okay, so you're very late. Actually, you need to manage the time somehow. Are you going to college right now, or
No,
are you free
I'm
right
in
now?
my third year. I'm in my third year, but अभी college नहीं खुला है.
Okay. So you have time to attend it three classes a week, and
Yes, sir.
or what we can do is you first cover LR part, right? And I will request you just to go through one course of DI, one course, only 7 lectures. The only 7 lectures of DI in that course is a foundation course of DI. I have given you the link of 7 courses of DI, right?
Yes.
Yes, in those links, there's a one course, there's a foundation course of DI, the first one. There are only 7 lectures. Just attend that course. This will give you an idea of data interpretation. What is a growth concept? What is ratios based set? What is average? That's it. That I guess will give you, a basic idea of DI. In that way, you will be able to do the sets of 30 minutes daily DLR live. So once we are done with the LR, then we'll get back to DI part. Okay. Because right now you will be watching a lot of recordings in the next 1 month, right? So I don't want you to cover everything in recording part. So let's cover the arithmetic part and LR part at this point of time. Algebra will be doing live, right? So once you are done with this, contact with me again after 1 month, then we'll plan for your DI part, right? But because you cannot leave DI completely, so therefore just attend the foundation course, first 7 lectures that can help you in understanding the basics of DI, all right?
Basics. Okay, sir.
That's it?
Yes,
everything sorted?
And sir, yes, 30 minutes daily quant भी मैं attend करती रहूँ.
Yes, you can attend that, because that will help in, because I'll be discussing the theory also in those classes. So you'll not face any issue. And that will help you in, revising, as well as some of the questions of your PDF will also be covered in this. So some part of arithmetic of average, percentage, profit or SSA you'll be able to attend live with me. So जो आपने recordings में पहले आपने miss किया, आपको recordings के साथ-साथ इन courses से help मिल जाएगा आपको. ठीक है?
Okay, sir. ठीक है, sir.
चलो, all right. Thank you. See you then.
Okay, thank you so
after
much,
1
sir.
month.
Okay.
Give me a report
Yes,
after
sir.
1 month, huh? All right.
All right, so thank you so much.
All right, dear.